back to my channel. Today I did a recreation look of Ariana Grande from her new song Positions. So if you're interested, let's go to the video. And before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you already did, then thank you so much, and let's go to the video. For starting, I am using a primer, and for primer I am using W7 Prime Magic Primer. My voice is little bit clinky because I got coldness, and so my voice is not in a good state. For foundation, I am taking a little pomade foundation and I am dotting it first and then blending it with a beauty blender. I'm layering my foundation for full coverage. Now for the concealer, I'm taking Maybelline Rewind Concealer, as you already know. I'm putting the concealer in my under eye, my forehead, beside my lips, and in my smile line, and also on my eyelid for the eyeshadow. Now I'm blending the concealer with a beauty blender. With the loose powder, I'm setting my concealer. I'm using W7 Banana Loose Powder. Yes, I'm making a funny face, I know. But this is for, a smile line. By doing this, a smile line is not going to become first. For eyeshadow, I'm using today Technic this palette. And I'm taking this color from my transition shade. I'm also doing the same thing on my other eye. I was supposed to say other hand. Now I'm taking this color to darken my crease a little bit more. I think my voice is not that much clear for the coldness, but I'm really sorry for that. Now I'm filling my eyelid with concealer. I'm doing the same thing on my other eye, but let me tell you, it was really hard to match both eyes. Oh. Now I'm taking the first eyeshadow color and putting in my upper eye cut crease, but really slightly, not putting that much pressure or not that much pigment. Now I'm taking the white eyeshadow and putting it in my cut crease. Yes, I do make funny faces when I show the products behind the camera. I'm taking this highlighter and putting in my brow bone and brow bone and inner corner. Now I'm doing the iconic ink eyeliner of Ariana Grande, because without eyeliner I think her makeup is incomplete. For my mascara, I'm using Technic mascara, and yes, I also put my mascara on my hair, and it's happened way too much. Now I'm taking this color for my bronzing because she didn't have that much harsh contour, mostly mostly bronzing, and she also didn't put blush. Here I'm darkening my side of the face because I wanted to get her that chiseled face, For my lower lash line, I'm taking the first eyeshadow color, and also I'm coating my lashes with mascara. Now I'm taking this highlighter from Revolution Golden Sugar Rose Gold palette for my highlighting. For my lips, I'm taking this reddish type of lipstick. Now I'm mixing a nude color lipstick for the perfect lip shade. So here it is, my makeup is done. I also did my hair like Ariana. Hopefully you guys loved it. If you do, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to hit the ring bell so you can get notified every time I post. See you soon. Ta-da!